For decades, the Toyota Tundra has been one of the most respected pickup trucks in the world. Built on Toyota's legendary reputation for durability and reliability, the Tundra became a symbol of long-lasting engineering. Many owners proudly say their trucks have surpassed 300,000 miles with minimal problems. But now, something unusual is happening. Reports of 2026 Tundra engine failures at extremely low mileage, sometimes as early as 9,000 miles, are beginning to appear. These incidents are raising serious questions about whether the latest generation of Toyota's full-size truck is living up to the brand's historic standards. Truck owners, mechanics, and automotive experts are asking a troubling question. Is Toyota's reputation for bulletproof reliability at risk? Let's take a closer look at what's going on. The controversy began when several owners reported catastrophic engine problems shortly after purchasing their new trucks. In one widely discussed case, a driver experienced complete engine failure at just 9,000 miles. According to the owner, the vehicle had been properly maintained and driven under normal conditions. The symptoms appeared suddenly. First came a dashboard warning light. Then, the truck began losing power. Moments later, the engine produced loud, knocking noises before shutting down completely. After inspection, the dealership confirmed the worst-case scenario: severe internal engine damage that required a full engine replacement. For a truck that had barely finished its break-in period, this kind of failure shocked both the owner and many within the automotive community. Every automaker occasionally deals with isolated mechanical issues. No vehicle is completely immune to defects. However, the concern surrounding the 2026 Tundra goes beyond one failed engine. The bigger issue is Toyota's reputation. For decades, Toyota trucks have been praised as some of the most dependable vehicles on the road. Many buyers choose them specifically because they expect long-term reliability without major mechanical problems. So when a nearly new truck experiences catastrophic failure at less than 10,000 miles, it naturally raises questions. To understand the situation, it's important to look at the engine powering the latest Tundra. Toyota replaced the previous 5.7-liter V8 with a new 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6, known internally as the iForce engine. On paper, the new powertrain is impressive. It delivers strong horsepower and torque while improving fuel efficiency compared to the older V8. Toyota also offers a hybrid version called iForce Max, which combines the turbocharged V6 with an electric motor for even greater performance. This shift reflects Toyota's broader strategy: smaller engines, turbocharging, and electrification to maintain power while improving efficiency. However, that technological change also introduces new complexity. Many automotive engineers note that turbocharged engines operate under higher pressures and temperatures than traditional naturally aspirated engines. Because of this, internal components must withstand greater stress. Turbo engines can deliver excellent performance, but they require extremely precise engineering and manufacturing tolerances. Even a small defect inside the engine can lead to major problems under turbocharged conditions. In other words, if something goes wrong inside a turbo engine, the damage can escalate quickly. Another possibility being discussed by industry analysts is a manufacturing defect. Modern engines contain thousands of precision-machined components. If something goes wrong during assembly, the consequences can be serious. Potential issues could include improperly machined engine parts, debris left inside the engine during assembly, faulty bearings, or pistons oil system problems. In many cases, an engine may run normally at first, but fail prematurely once those defective components begin to wear. Today, information spreads faster than ever. Truck owners frequently share their experiences on forums, YouTube channels, and social media platforms. When a single engine failure is posted online, it can quickly reach thousands of other owners. Sometimes these discussions reveal real patterns. Other times they simply amplify isolated incidents. Either way, public perception can shift quickly, especially for a company whose reputation is built on reliability. Toyota's global success is built on a simple promise: vehicles that last longer than the competition. Toyota trucks have earned a reputation for surviving extreme conditions, from deserts to construction sites to remote rural regions. Many mechanics consider Toyota engines among the most durable ever produced. This reputation is supported by the Toyota production system, the company's manufacturing philosophy focused on precision, quality control, and continuous improvement. Because of this history, Toyota customers often expect trouble-free ownership for many years. That's why even a small number of early failures can create such a strong reaction. Another major change for Tundra buyers was Toyota's decision to eliminate the traditional V8. The previous generation's 5.7-liter V8 had been refined over many years. Huile wasn't the most fuel-efficient engine available. It was widely respected for its durability. Many owners trusted that engine to run for hundreds of thousands of miles. The new turbocharged V6 offers better efficiency and performance, but some traditional truck buyers remain skeptical about whether it can match the long-term durability of the older design. Independent mechanics are watching these reports carefully. Some believe it's too early to determine whether the problem represents a widespread issue. Others point out that brand new engine designs often reveal weaknesses during their first few years in the market. Sometimes the issues are related to small production defects that are corrected in later model years. So far, Toyota has not confirmed a widespread defect affecting the 2026 Tundra. However, the company has historically acted quickly when problems emerge. In the past, Toyota has issued technical service bulletins, warranty extensions, recall campaigns when necessary. Owners experiencing engine problems are typically protected by Toyota's factory powertrain warranty, and dealerships often replace defective engines at no cost. One of the biggest questions is whether these failures are rare anomalies or signs of a broader issue. Even if only 0.1% of engines experience a defect, that could still mean dozens of failures among thousands of trucks. For the affected owners, the experience is frustrating, but statistically, most trucks may still operate without problems. Determining the true scope will require more time and data. The biggest risk may not be the failures themselves, but the perception of declining reliability. Truck buyers invest significant money in their vehicles and expect them to last for many years. If customers begin to question Toyota's reliability advantage, it could influence future buying decisions. Competitors like Ford, Chevrolet, and Ram are constantly improving their own trucks. And any shift in reputation could benefit rival brands. Experts recommend that Tundra owners pay attention to warning signs that could indicate engine trouble, including unusual knocking or tapping sounds, sudden loss of power, dashboard warning lights, rough engine operation, oil pressure warnings. If any of these symptoms appear, owners should contact the dealership immediately. Early diagnosis may prevent more serious damage. Despite the controversy, the Tundra remains a key part of Toyota's truck lineup. The company continues investing heavily in advanced power, including hybrid systems and more efficient engines. Toyota engineers are known for refining designs over time, so future updates may further improve the durability of the turbocharged V6. The story of the 2026 Toyota Tundra engine failures is still developing. Up to this stage, there is no clear evidence of a widespread defect. However, the reports highlight a broader shift in the automotive industry. Modern engines are more advanced than ever, delivering remarkable power and efficiency, but that complexity also creates new challenges. How Toyota responds will play a major role in determining whether its legendary reputation remains intact. Final thoughts: the Toyota Tundra has long been one of the most trusted trucks on the market, but reports of engine failures at extremely low mileage, including cases around 9,000 miles, have raised serious concerns among owners and industry observers. Whether these incidents represent isolated defects or early signs of a deeper issue remains uncertain. What is clear is that Toyota's reputation for reliability is now under close watch. If the company addresses the problem quickly and transparently, it may strengthen customer trust. But if these failures continue to surface, the conversation around the Tundra could change in ways few Toyota fans expected.